Okay, so ang next problem natin, so find the minimum and maximum. So first, find y prime. So equals 6x squared minus 6x minus 36. Okay, then next, gawin natin set y prime equals 0 because y prime is equal to m and m is equal to 0. So gawin natin siya. So 0 is equal to 6x squared minus 6x minus 36. Okay, so tingnan nyo mabuti to. This is a quadratic equation because the exponent is squared. So kailangan natin siyang isolve si x using factoring. But before that, itry muna natin kung meron tayo makita ng common monomial factor. So 6x squared, negative 6x, negative 36. Obviously, the common monomial factor is 6. Kasi anong meron tong, meron to, na meron to, na meron to, na factor. The common is 6. So, i-factor out natin yun. So, factor out, so 0 is equal to 6 times x squared minus x minus 6. So, tingnan nyo mabuti. If you are going to distribute it sa paloob, babalik ulit tayo sa 6x squared minus 6x minus 36. Okay? So, yun lang siya. Then, simplify pa natin. Since 0 naman tong left hand side, try natin i-divide siya both sides by 6. Bakit kaya siya dinivide sa 6? Tignan nyo guys. 0 divided by 6 becomes simply 0. Now, sa right hand side, 6, we can now cancel this. So, na-simplify lang natin siya. Naging x squared minus x minus 6. O ngayon, dyan na tayo ngayon magpa-factor. So, what are the factors ulit? So, ito yung ginagawa nating trial and error dati. So, what is the two numbers? If you multiply, you will have negative 6. And if you add, you will have negative 1. So, that is minus 3 plus 2. Okay, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 plus positive 2 is negative 1. Now, let's solve this individually. So, x minus 3 is equal to 0. And x plus 2 is equal to 0. Yung AB equals 0 rule. Because sabi natin, if A times B is equal to 0, therefore, pag mayroon daw dalawang numbers at pinag-multiply mo ang sagot ay 0, it's either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or both. Both are equal to 0. So we assume that x minus 3 may be equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Solve natin siya isa. So we'll have x minus 3 APE, x minus 3 plus 3 equals 0 plus 3. So x minus 3 plus 3 is x. Tapos x equals 0 plus 3, 3. So the first value of x is 3. The second value of x plus 2. So by APE minus 2, then 0 minus 2, we will have x is equal to negative 2. So, ibig sabihin guys, so dalawa yung values ng x natin. Ano kayang implication nito sa ating given? So, ibig sabihin yan, dalawa din yung ating point of tangency. So, hanapin natin yung dalawang point of tangency na yan. So, again, we have two POTs. So, hanapin natin yung dalawang POTs na yan, yung dalawang critical points kung tatawagin natin. Y equals 2x cubed. Yakupin ko lang to. Copy. Tapos saan yun? Sulit ko na lang. Y equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 36x plus 5. Yung dalawang x natin is 3 saka negative 2. 3, x equals 3, or x is equal to negative 2. Dali lang, nagkadulok-ulok ang ballpen ko. X equals 3, or x equals negative 2. dalawang critical points yan. Dalawa isosolve natin. First, at x is equal to 3. So, hanapin natin, y is equal to 2, 3 raised to 3, minus 3. Palit lang natin to mga kapatid. Dito, papalitan natin to. Replace this x, yung tatlong x na to with 3. So, 3 times 3 squared minus 36 times 3 plus 5. So, 3 cubed will give you 27 minus 3 squared is 9. 36 times 3 plus 5. So 2 times 27 is 54. 3 times 9 is 27. 36 times 3 is 108 plus 5. And 54 minus 27 is 27 minus 108 is 27 minus 108 plus 5. Calculator na natin. 27 minus 108 plus 5. Negative 76. So, ang first CP natin, CP1 is 3 negative 76. Itabi muna natin siya dyan. 3 negative 76. Sumunod, hanapin natin yung second CP. At x is equal to negative 2. Y is equal to 2 times negative 2 cubed minus 3 times negative 2 squared minus 36 times negative 2 plus 5. So 2, negative 2 cubed is negative 8, minus 3 times negative 2 squared is 4, minus 36 times negative 2 plus 5. So we'll have negative 16, negative 3 times 4, negative 12, negative 36 times negative 2, positive 72, then plus 5. So we now have negative 16 minus 12 plus 72 plus 5 is equal to 49. So, ang ating CP2 is negative 2, 49. Okay. So, dalawa yung critical points natin, dalawa yung point of tangencies. Now, ang tanong ngayon guys, yan, dalawa yung sagot natin Ang tanong, eto ba ay max or min? Ito ba ay max or minimum? So, yun yung tanong na gusto nating sagutin. Okay? So, again, paano natin gagawin yun? Second derivative test. So, y, tingnan lang ulit ito natin, problem. Y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 36x plus 5. O CP natin, sulat ng CP. CP1, CP2, ano na uli yun? 3 negative 76. 3 negative 76, saka negative 2, 49. Negative 2, 49. O, tetest na ngayon natin siya. Second derivative test. So, balikan natin yung y prime. 6x squared minus 6x minus 36. Now, second derivative is 12x minus 6. Ito ngayon yung ating second derivative. Siya yung gagamitin natin pang test. But this time, hindi siya isang constant. Ang lumabas, 12x minus 6. So, we need to replace this x with something para makuha natin kung ano yung value, yung actual value niyan, yung actual numerical value. So, saan manggagaling yan? So, una, gamitin natin yung 3 negative 76. Magiging so this is your x, this is your y. So y double prime is equal to 12 times 3 minus 6. O, bayaan nyo lang yung negative 76. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang pagpapalitan. Okay lang yan. So, 12 times 3 is 36 minus 6. So, y double prime is equal to 0. I equals 0 equals 30. And obviously, 30 is greater than 0. Ano na lang mangyayari if you have your second derivative is greater than 0? Okay? If the second derivative is greater than 0, therefore, 3 negative 76 is a maximum or minimum. Pag greater than 0 yung double derivative o second derivative, yes, this is a minimum. O, itry naman natin yung negative 2, 49. I-substitute natin tong x na negative 2 kay y double prime. So, 12x minus 6 tayo 12 times negative 2 minus 6. You will have negative 24 minus 6. So, y double prime is equal to negative 30. And we all know that negative 30 is less than 0. So, therefore, y double prime is also less than 0. At ano ng implication? If the double derivative or the second derivative is less than 0, therefore, negative 2, 49 is a maximum. So, ito lang guys, yung ating final answer. Okay? Yan dapat na maging conclusion ng sagot nyo. O, test natin kung tama ba yung sagot ko kay Desmos. Masa ka na Desmos? Hindi lang, ayaw na lumabas sa Desmos. Yun. So, ito siya. 2x cubed, that's your graph. Okay? Ito yung nasolve natin negative 249. Ito. O, diba? Kitang-kita siya yung local maximum. Kasi yung highest point natin, nandito sa pati dito sa taas. Wala naman siya dyan. Hindi natin ma-identify. O, yung 3 negative 76. This is your 3 negative 76. And obviously, siya yung nasa lowest point sa part na yan. Siya yung local minimum. Okay? Absolute maximum, local maximum, negative 249. Local minimum, 3 negative 76. Which is ganun sa sagot natin. Okay?
Mag-deliver pa yan.